Alright, anyways, let's get into this. Wow, I'm taller. It's Freddy Fazbear. New scary game ahead. Don't enter. I would, but this is an Airplane Story 2 video. Sucks to be you. Now this time in this one I have no wins. So if that's multiple choice ending, I'm gonna try to get them. Why the hell does nobody join these games no more? They're still kind of fun, but come on, I want more people in this. This is exactly why I called my friend. That other god. What the heck? Alright, am I in it? What? Alright. I better not be like this. And the rest of the game. Okay, I'll listen cause I'm like. Please, I know how to scream the name every time I say it. Alright, that's my seat! Alright, I wanna have to get. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back. Yeah, that's gonna be the voice. Hello everyone, welcome back. Pilot Kelly, how the hell are you still? My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this flight. Weren't you like the assistant or something last game? As you can probably tell, this is not a regular loop. I'm sorry, I can't talk. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys who saved on airplane last time. I saved it. I ended it. And I don't know if I ended it or saved it with the chosen one ended. I don't. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and that is the reason we are here. Man, go just let me alone. Alright, enough chatting. Okay. Try! See something else! Let's find a seat that has a golden label with your name on it, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Man, I really can't speak today! I should have continued screaming, it would have been better. That's the turbulence! This is a barrel! Okay, thank you for cooperation. Freddy, shut up! We're to the barrel! I have been from the present danger and is waiting for you. Please find. Alright. I'm glad I'm able to leave this damn place. I hope I beat service room. Oh, bruh, a broom. Not. What? Simply none of these notes I gotta find. I remember no one should know about this. That guy over there. I bet Bro didn't even see that. face through the. I see another one of those. Well, that's the one on the left. That's the one on I know it. Follow me to the next room. I'll give you some instructions. Not trust. Alright, currently. No, before that, the president is very special. This is what I gotta say. That's what I'm gonna say. I wanted to floss, not floss, the wiggly arm move. Finally! Oh no, I'm so sorry. Why did they give me the stupid line? Look at this mess. The president is going to be so mad. Please find someone to clean this mess. Or oh noes. Oh noes. Oh noes. Dude, it's clean. Man, somebody's gonna get glass shards in their butt cheeks. In their butt. Please follow me to the dining room. You're not even walking! Alright, I said you're not even walking, okay? For anyone not hearing me. For my anger. The bro is not even angry. Hi, Donald Trump. I'm your biggest fan. That's what somebody would say. Wow! Wait, what? Oh, Snob, I'm sorry, it's the habit. What habit? Anyways, welcome to my airplane. I don't trust you, you're on. Alright, I'm the president of Roblox, just states. You must know you're a hero for this nation, you know? More like I am. Last time there was any. Oh yeah, there's like 10 other people. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. Yes! The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef must stop. Don't kill him. What? Throw that chef off this plane! Oh damn. I feel bad now. Why do I feel bad after saying that? Me! Make it me! Yes! Alright, I'm clearly happy about this. Just tell me the damn ingredients before I kill you, Ronald! Alright. Oh, tell me the damn ingredients. Pervert Sonic, I will tell you the ingredients and you have to find them. What is that meant to be? Alright. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can. But be quick! Okay. Are you ready? Yeah, time to cook. So they're just gonna give me this soup. Cabbage. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Potato. it! Do I seriously have to do cannibalism? This region, Fine. I'll sit closer to. Seriously, no. Where did the tomatoes come from? Where? It's like 90% bananas, bro. Enjoy. No. I better not bust out again. Oh. I'm not. No! I still busted out. Who ate them all? Who? He should be meeting you again at the presidential suit. Okay. Please follow the path to the computer room. Then let me. Oh, never mind. Computer room. There is so much of me touching, of my mouth touching my microphone right now, and I don't really care. This is like a 50 bucks computer. I'll just buy like 20, I don't know, 30, 40, I don't know, something around that. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. And we should know it. So we figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Alright. It's obvious we need the white. Where is it? Alright. Am I the only one that knows how this thing works? Or is everyone just AFK or dead? I hope not. I did it. I'm a hacker. Whoa, we really need to work on the code. Move the president in the next room. I'm already in it. Okay. There's another pony. There's another code. I completely forgot about those. And now I can't return. I need to know. Always, I will let you sleep on my presidential bedroom. Can you look for them? They should be around this room. Ask your agents to look for them. Not Shut up. Shut up. Right. Let's open the door. Let's open the door open. Let's open the door then. Him. This is where you will be spending the night. I hope there's room for everyone. I'm taking it. Give you guys time to get comfy. Never mind sleeping in the same establishment as a woman. No offense, actually, no offense. Actually, no offense. I'm sorry if I offended any of you guys. Aren't gift to order? Who the hell is? I thought somebody would start a roleplay. I can't sleep. There's something about this flight that scares me. Maybe that the pilots in every single game of these can always fly, like never stop or anything, just endless flight. I jump out! Yay! I blew your back! Finally! I wanted to crash the plane and get everyone! But I was alone, so I became the chosen one. Did you forget, Mom? XD! Run! This is easy to run. Huh? This. Oh, storage. So new. Alright, where's the last one? I remember finding 6, but never pressed here. Alright, I'm getting up here for extra safety. Get up! I think the Loverus is up. If I haven't beat this, so I don't know. But I think that will happen. Are we safe now? Why are you asking? Get on something quick! I told you. You'd be dead if you didn't listen to me. Now I magically pass out again. Perfect. The fire's gone. This girl is gonna be... Not just kidding. What is going on? Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick up. I'm very limiting myself to speaking over on goddamn arm because I'm holding my microphone because my desk is super low and I'm not going to have gamer posture just so I can speak to you guys normally. Okay. I can't tell you much for the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. Oh, hell nah. Problem is the door. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Aren't you inside? Just get closer while I do that. But be careful. The monsters might still be around. Are you kidding? I was going to try. I was gonna try to find the last out. You will not escape this time. The seats of dead people on. Oh no, not I am catch you. Die, Sandra. I said die, Sandra. Not where the heck could this thing be then? Crashed. Sandra, I'm gonna kill you. Sandra, Sandra, I'm gonna kill you. Sandra, leave me alone. Let them kill you. The door is open. Get in. Oxa. Can I get that note? Where the hell is that other note? I remember one being in the same room. Grade 31 is never mind. I have them all. The secret of the notes. Yay! Yay! Do not trust him. He is haunted. Oh damn! I didn't expect that. I'm literally skipping some dialogue because of this. I think there was something wrong here. I knew there was something wrong going on. The good news is, I'm not just a pallet. You're the demon. You're the demon then. I'm also a secret agent, and I know about this. Oh damn. Damn. Guys, I'm guys, if I die, tell me that, because I'll definitely cut this a little bit out of the video. Well, maybe. My screen is completely black right now, so I'll try to beat this. Oh my God. Okay. Crap, I lost it. Oh no, I didn't. Yes! Guys, I got it working. Who's taking the shot? Me! Me. Alright, I just got my screen back. I am incredibly lucky. Alright guys, good luck. I'm gonna shoot the agent. Because when I watch... There you are. I'm dead. I've discovered you, monster. Wait! Put that gun down. What are you doing? No, Ashi. I know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you's the monster. You know, you're making a huge mistake. You're saying that because we're not monsters. Yeah, no, you're talking like a monster. I don't care. You sound like you're going. I don't trust you. Shoot the agent. Nobody knows what would I shoot because I'm like, nah. There better be some blood on this name in America. See, I knew it! I knew it! It's the agent. I listened to the conversation. It's the monster, Mr. President. I serve 2 planes now. He has been haunting us since the first whip. He tried to take advantage of the strip to kill us. That is cool. Thank you for saving my life. Congratulations, passengers. You saved the day once again. That was so scary. Let's go home. I don't even know you. You know what? At least it's true. I'll ask. At least it's finally gone. Finally gone. Girl must have really hated him. I called him my bro. I called him my bro. That's it. So, is there like any other endings? Alright, you know what? I won't try to get any of the endings. Any of the other endings. Because this is a perfect ending. No, like that one guy that said, and don't tell him, sounded really suspicious. The other guy was probably the monster's ally. So, yeah! Bye! And have a great day.